Hello everyone, back tuning into the fourth update for Glastonbury Festival, so it's getting much closer to the event now. In a week's time, many of you will be at Glastonbury already, waiting for the event to start. So it's coming into the semi-reliable time frame of the GFS model now. And of course, we had that amazing update on Sunday. The second update was a vintage one. It was high pressure all the way, very warm and dry. The last update showed a deterioration on that. So quite a bit more unsettled, quite a bit cooler as well. And we said that we didn't have a trend, therefore we're going to have to do more updates, see whether we can find a trend. So we'll have another look at this event tonight and see what the model is showing for this evening's update. Before I get on with that, just very quick to say about the ads at this website. There's links to articles on all the pages. If you can have a browser which it's encrypted through the links, you'll be helping to pay for the website. Thanks very much for doing that. Going to start off next Wednesday, Wednesday the 22nd of June, because I know that's when a lot of you are travelling down to Glastonbury to get your tents pitched and start soaking up the atmosphere. So this is how we're looking with the GFS model on Wednesday 22nd of June. And we've got a little bit of ridging from the Azores High to the south of the country, but we're in a westerly flow here. I've got an area of low pressure in the Atlantic, perhaps a little bit worryingly, that is knocking on the door. Upper air temperatures looking quite cool. It's quite a cool westerly flow coming across the country. The air is originating from somewhere in the northern Atlantic. It's actually mostly dry on Wednesday 22nd of June. There is a chance of a few showers, but essentially it's a dry day. We've got this massive rainbow to the west of Ireland just waiting in the wings. Temperatures are okay. They're about average, around 18 to 20, something like that. It's close to average for the second half of June. In the sunshine, it will be sunny spells. It will feel fairly warm. However, this looks a bit worrying. We go through to Thursday the 23rd of June. Again, no, you will be travelling down to Glastonbury on this day. Low pressure then is moving in off the Atlantic. It's a proper area of low pressure as well. So this is a further deterioration in the pattern. We have that very settled, very high pressure dominated pattern on Sunday. It deteriorated on Tuesday. It's deteriorating again tonight. We're bringing an area of low pressure in off the Atlantic on Thursday the 23rd of June. Upper air temperatures are cool. And unfortunately, there is quite a bit of rain moving in from west as well. Some of that heavy and persistent moving across the country through the day on Thursday, 23rd of June. This is the day of referendum, of course. So a lot of people will be voting in the rain if this comes off. Temperatures, very cool, really. Just 15 or 16 degrees. Not the sort of weather that you want to be camping in or go to a festival for. So this is the first day of the Glastonbury Festival. This is Friday the 24th of June. That low pressure has got out of the way. Probably has deposited quite a lot of rain though on Glastonbury. And we're in a northwesterly flow now. This looks quite showery. The Azores High, which usually gives us our warm, dry spells in the summer, that's pushed a long way out into the central part of the Atlantic. So it is opening the door to this northwesterly flow across the country. Upper air temperatures are remaining cool. It is looking mostly dry here. It is suggesting showers for the north and the east, but down across Glastonbury, it's mostly dry. I wouldn't take that too literally. It's still quite a way off. It's 198 hours away, that chart. I would suggest that northwesterly could be producing some showers, but it shouldn't be all that wet. Temperatures around 19 or 20 degrees will feel okay in the sunshine, but if any showers come through, it will feel quite cool. This is Saturday, day 2, Saturday 25th of June, and another little area of low pressure is running into the north of Scotland. This is quite a changeable run that we've got tonight from the GFS. Upper air temperatures remaining cool. The air, if you follow the isobars back, these white lines are called isobars, if you follow them back, the air is originating from the south of Greenland, so that's the reason throughout this it looks quite cool. And there's showery bursts of rain coming through as well. Mostly suggested for central and northern parts of the country. Glastonbury probably mainly dry, but again, don't take that too literally. It's a northwesterly flow, it's a changeable showery flow. There's some sort of trough coming through as well, I think, that could bring some showers down from the north and west. Temperatures are quite cool at 17 or 18 degrees. And then this is the final day of the Glastonbury Festival. This is Sunday 26th of June. And again, there's some sort of trough feature up to the north and the northwest moving down across the country. There is a slight ridge down to the south across France, where temperatures are still cool. There's showery rain moving into the north and west. Whether that would affect Glastonbury, it's too far away to say. This is 240 hours away, 10 days away. But it's just a suggestion that throughout this, really, there's probably going to be at least showery bursts of rain moving through. They're most likely to affect the north and west, but you wouldn't rule out the risk of rain coming through at times, even down into Glastonbury. Temperatures do look really cool, actually, for this final day, at just 16, 17 or 18 degrees. It's a further deterioration of the pattern. We can say that quite definitively. We have the excellent update on Sunday. It deteriorated when we did the last update on Tuesday. It's got worse again tonight. Now, I wouldn't necessarily be saying this is going to be a washout or anything too alarming, but clearly it looks like quite a changeable period, and it'll be a period, if it comes off as this is suggested, it'll be a period that keeps us on our toes, because there'll be periodic bands of showery rain moving through, particularly affecting the north and west, but occasionally being able to get down into the south and the southeast. Temperatures look quite cool, and overall just a cool showery period coming up, if this is right for this year's Glastonbury Festival. This is now coming into a semi-reliable time frame, so it could well be that we've got a changeable pattern, we've just got to put the detail on it. The next update will probably be on Saturday evening, so come back for that. There is still time for a change and to revert back towards a more Azores high dominated scenario, but cool and showery is the message, I think, from the fourth update. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.